thing about this video is the quality of what made in Japan means. Now, this is 2022. The culture in Japan goes back centuries, where they care about quality, they care about whether it's something tangible or intangible, they want to give it their best. And that can be seen from the heart. Now I'm going to say this. Japan, or the Japanese people, have a relationship with their elders, with their mother and father and grandmothers, grandfathers, etc., that makes every other country jealous. They care for their elders. They care and look